Hello, welcome to TechShare. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is Xfoot. So for the demonstration of same, here I have created the program. So let's go through it. So here we are using fully free format, and that's why we have specified here star star free on line number 6. Below to that, I am specifying the control option that is no debug IO and src stmt. This is mainly for the debugging purpose. Okay. And below to that, on line number 12, we are declaring, on line number 14, we are declaring the array. So here I'm declaring the array with name amount, which will hold the numeric value of size 2, and it has 5 dimensions. And for the logic purpose, we are declaring some variables. So here I'm declaring one variable that is a result variable of numeric type length 4, and I have initialized that variable. And after that we are just initializing some values to the dimension of this array. So here you can see that first dimension of amount is holding 30, 20, 10, 20, 20. Okay, so likewise we are assigning for first, second, third, fourth and fifth dimension. So we have assigned these value to the array. Now from here, the main logic is started. So as this session is mainly for the Xfoot function, so what is Xfoot function? So Xfoot function is mainly used to return the sum of all the array elements. Okay, so if you want to find the sum of all the array elements in that scenario, you can use this Xfoot function. So what it will do, it will sum up these values and it will return the output as a numeric digit. So from here on line number 31, it will return the sum of the array elements, and then it will store in result variable. And below on line number 33, we are just displaying the output, that is result. And for ending the program, we are just setting star inlr equals to star on. So now let's compile this program and check whether we are getting the correct sum of all the array elements or not. I'm calling it. So here you can see that we got 100. So let's check in the logic again. So yes, it is 100 because we are assigning these values. So if we total up this value, then it is 100. So let's do some modification. So let's change all the values 50. Then we will see like whether it is correct, giving the correct or not. Yeah, change it to all the values to be 50. Now we will compile it again and see the output. Calling it. So it shows 250, which is correct because we have changed all the dimension value to 50, and that's why we are getting 250 as an output. So this function is mainly used whenever there is a requirement to find out the sum of the array elements of all array elements. Then in that case we will use export function. So yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare.